Hi guys, welcome to Lankan Kitchen. So today what we are going to see is how to make a ribbon cake. I'm starting with 200 grams of room temperature butter. Then I'm adding 200 grams of sugar. Then I'm combining the two ingredients. I like to use the whisker, but you can use the beater as well. Whisk it until butter and sugar are fully combined and the sugar starts melting. This will take about 7 to 10 minutes. Then I'm adding 200 grams of eggs, which is about 3 eggs. Then whisk for another 5 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then add about 30 milliliters of milk. You can either add fresh milk or you can add milk powder mixed with water, but make sure all the ingredients are in the room temperature. Then add a pinch of salt. And combine everything together. Now we are going to add flour to the mixture, so you can add 200 grams of flour. I'm adding it in 2 portions, but you can do it together as well. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now slowly combine everything together. After that, we are going to weigh the batter because we have to divide the batter into 2 equal portions to do the coloring. You can see the batter is about 800 grams. So what I'm gonna do now is to transfer half of the batter into another container. So each container has about 400 grams of the batter. So we are going to stick to the traditional ribbon cake colorings, pink and green. So for the first part of the batter, since I don't have a pink coloring, I'm going to use a little bit from the red coloring to get the pink color. And for the second part of the batter, since I don't have the green color, I'm combining blue and yellow to get the green color. So now we are ready to bake the cake. I'm going to use this pan to bake both cakes. So if you want to bake it in two different pans, of course you can go ahead and do that. Since I'm gonna bake in the same pan, I'm going to use a divider in between to separate the two colors. Use a spoon and evenly distribute the batter. This will help the cake bake smoothly. Preheat the oven at 180 centigrades for about 10 minutes and bake the cake with the separator for about 15 minutes, and then remove the separator and bake it for another 20-25 minutes at the temperature of 200 centigrades. Also, please note that the baking time will vary according to the oven that you have. So this is the cake that we baked, and I have rested the cake for about 2 hours as well before we go to the icing part. So now I'm cutting the cake at the divider point. As you can see, the cake is perfectly baked. So I'm cutting the cake at the mid-level to do the icing. Also guys, just make a note, I will be only putting icing for 1/2 of the cake. If you need it for the entire cake, just double the quantity I take. So for the icing, I am adding 75 grams of butter at the room temperature and 150 grams of icing sugar. And now you can beat the two ingredients. Once both ingredients are combined, add 1 tablespoon of milk. And beat it again. I'm now adding a tiny bit of white coloring to the icing. And then spread the icing in between the two parts of the cake. Also a layer on top of the cake as well. Then I'm going to put the cake in the fridge for about 10 minutes. So the icing is now set. I'm going to add some sprinkles on top of it. And now you can cut and serve your cake. It looks yummy and beautiful, isn't it? If you enjoyed our video, like and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well.